Hi, morning. So, what's the next project? We are rebuilding the B20 Marco Katigbak's car. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out the engine and bring it to the machine shop. This is a bone stock B20. You can see no cams, stock cams, sorry, not even headworks. And also we are gonna rebuild the transmission, so I'm documenting this car, gonna make some videos of it.
Thank you po Racing Antipoleños, BSB Junior, Rabin All Philippines po.
And G-Spot
And
Racing.
G-Spot Racing Team.
Yun. Thank you. So, sali na natin. Kuya. Oh, pahawak lang. Yan.
Wala pa ng galon ah.
Okay.
Mahihilo itong galon. Oh,
Sige po, sali na po.
Sabi mo para kuwari ikaw kasi ikaw ang nagbanalo eh.
Ganyan po kasi yung group namin.
Group sa motor.
Motor at kotse po. So, lagay mo lang yung badge number mo, mananalo ka na. Pero yung next event kasi namin is spot the badge, gagala yung mga officers. Tapos kung sino yung mapili nilang badge na makikita nila, yun ang mananalo.
Ganda ano?
So, this is a newly overhauled 2E engine on a Corolla big body. So, experience the difference with Ravenol. Yan, para makahinga.
3.5 lang ano eh, 3.5. Narito eh, mula nung bagong overhaul eh. Kasi walang langis.
Ngayon lang po paanda rin.
Ngayon lang.
Oo. Sige, try natin start ngayon. Okay. So, we already managed to pull out the B20 engine on this Civic EK. Oh. And we'll just tear apart the engine. I'll also work on the transmission on this car. It's a bone stock B20 from CRV, and it's fitted here on this EK SIR body, and let's make some magic touches here. So we managed to pull out the transmission on this B20, and as you can see, the pilot bearing is already destroyed. We have to replace this pilot bearing once we assemble the engine. After tearing it apart, I'm going to bring it to Jeb machine shop for shave and installation of the new piston.